Ready to turn those hard-earned Microsoft Rewards points into that thing you've been eyeing on Amazon? First, head over to the Microsoft Rewards website, which I've linked for you in the description. Make sure you're signed into the Microsoft account where you've been racking up those points. Now, browse through the available rewards until you find the Amazon gift card option. The points needed will vary depending on the gift card value. Select the amount you want and confirm your choice. You might need to verify your account through email or SMS, so keep your phone and inbox handy. Once redeemed, Microsoft will send you an email containing your Amazon gift card code. This usually arrives within a few minutes, but sometimes can take a little longer. Next, go to Amazon.com and sign into your account. Hover over Account and Lists and click on your account. Look for the gift cards option, usually under the payment section, and click on it. Now, click on Redeem a gift card. Carefully enter the gift card code you received from Microsoft Rewards. Double check for any typos. Click Apply to your balance. You should now see your Amazon gift card balance updated, and that's it. During checkout, the gift card balance will automatically be applied to your order. If your order total exceeds your gift card balance, you can pay the remaining amount with another payment method. Happy shopping!